Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's white. You do have the chrome accenting up front there with the GMC badging. Projector-style headlights with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear brand tires. They look fantastic. You do also have your 19-inch rims on them. They look great. You do have your mirrors right there, the heated exterior mirrors, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have that Terrain, the GMC, and the all-wheel drive with your parking sensors down there and your backup camera. It is an automatic open, so you just gotta press the button, and it does open right up for us. Looks fantastic back here, very spacious. You got the cover there if you want to pull that down. Then you can lift this guy up and you got your spare tire underneath there, as well as some speakers if you did want to blast some music. To close it back up, you just got this button right here, and it does close it up for us. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. That one opens up the back, remote start there, and we do have our panic. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here, some storage, and more down here with a place for a water bottle. Looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. The two-tone looks great. You do also have the control over the seats here, so backward, forward, tilt, lumbar support, and the seat memory right there. And then up here we got the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams all right there. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it is telling us to be careful because there might be ice on the road. Now we can switch that guy around in the middle. Right now it does tell us our speed, but we can switch that around to our trip 8, 1, and 2. Our fuel range, we also have our average fuel economy. We have our average liters per 100 kilometers, as well as the vehicle speed, timer, navigation, and you can turn the screen off as well. And you do have your different settings through here as well, your units, tire pressure, oil life, and all those guys. Now you do have your control over your collision detection here and your lane departure, as well as your cruise control, horn in the center, and your Bluetooth options, as well as your volume and your source. And then over here we do have our controls over the windshield wipers. Right in the center we do have a 7-inch touchscreen display. Looks great, so you do have all sorts of different options through here. So you have your navigation, you have your phone options, your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you do have your aux cord, Bluetooth, your tone, pictures, all sorts of different stuff all throughout here. If you hit your navigation, you can see that we are on Recreation Place, and when you switch into reverse, you do have the ever-useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Down here in the buttons, we got the volume up and down. We have our presets here, our favorite, source, our seek options, destination, our navigation. We also have our home, back button, our play and pause, configuration, info, and then our phone options there. Our selectors right here. We have our hazard lights, climate control. We do have the power up and down with the power. You have your auto, you have where it's going to blow out of. You have your seats there, as well as your front and rear defrost and your circulation. Temperature control is here. This one controls those that little screen in the middle I showed you earlier. You have some storage here and here. Gear shift here with your cup holders. Then you got your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. You have your traction control button right there. And then we do have our glove box right over here. Lots of room in there. And up top, you do have your control over your sunroof, as well as this guy that controls how high it opens in the back, and your universal garage door opener. And there's your sunroof, looking great. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have that same chrome accenting, this nice swirly finish. Handle, control over your windows, and some storage down here. Looks great back here. Leather seats as well. Very spacious. Seats 5 people all together. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders if you didn't have the person in the middle. And you can fold this whole seat down if you did need extra storage back there. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 GMC Terrain Denali. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.